Solo Leveling Reawakening Secrets Exposed. Alright, hunters, buckle up. Solo Leveling Reawakening isn't just a recap. It's the ultimate hype bomb that sets the stage for the craziest season yet. Miss this and you'll be playing catch up while the rest of us are losing our minds over that ending. Let's break it all down, but fair warning, your brain might short circuit. Picture this: Sung Jin Woo, our guy who started off as the weakest hunter, is now the Shadow Monarch. But what if I told you that Reawakening hints he's not the strongest yet? Yep, this movie drops clues that could completely flip the Solo Leveling universe upside down. And trust me, I've got all the juicy details right here. And hey, if you're thinking, nah, it's just a recap, I'll skip it. Let me remind you, this is Sung Jin Woo we're talking about. Missing this is like skipping leg day, you'll regret it when everyone else is flexing. What is Reawakening really about? On the surface, it's a recap of Jin Woo's journey from the weakest hunter to the unbeatable Shadow Monarch. But here's the twist, it's packed with new scenes that tease what's coming next. Think of it like an appetizer before the insane main course. And oh boy, the future isn't looking pretty for our guy. Why? Because did you notice the shadow lurking behind Jin Woo during his final scene? Fans think it's not just a random shadow, it might be the creator of the system itself. If that's true, Jin Woo's just a pawn in a way bigger game. Let that sink in. The Monarch's dirty secret. So we know the Monarchs are supposed to be these all-powerful beings, right? But Reawakening drops a subtle bomb. They're scared, like terrified, not just of Jin Woo but of something big. Could it be the system? Or maybe there's an entity stronger than all of them combined? I mean, what do you do when even the villains are sweating bullets? Honestly, if I were a monarch, I'd resign on the spot. Imagine going up against Sung Jin Woo and whatever cosmic nightmare is coming next. Yeah, no thanks, I'd rather be a shadow soldier. At least they get health insurance. New clues for season 2. Reawakening doesn't just recap the story. It straight up spoils what's coming next if you know where to look. For example, remember that moment when Jin Woo hesitates to use his full power? That's not just him being cautious. It's a hint that his abilities might come with a hidden cost. What if every time he uses the system, he's giving up a part of his humanity? Spooky, right? And here's where it gets insane. Did you catch the scene where Jin Woo looks at his reflection in the shadows? It glitches for a second, almost as if he's not in control anymore. What does that mean? The animation glow up. A1 Pictures absolutely delivered. The fight scenes are so smooth, you'll want to rewatch them frame by frame. And let's not even talk about the shadows. They look better than some of the bosses in Elden Ring. But the real MVP, the subtle details. Like, did you notice Beru's wings are glowing brighter in this version? What's up with that? Is he evolving? So Solo Leveling Reawakening isn't just a movie. It's a treasure chest of clues, secrets, and wild theories waiting to explode in season 2. But here's the big question. Is Jin Woo really the master of the system, or is he just a pawn in a cosmic chess game? And if he's being played, by who? Drop your wildest theories in the comments. Are we ready for season 2, or are we all just going to cry into our light novels? Like this video if you're hyped, share it with your hunter squad, and hit that subscribe button because this is just the beginning.